If you haven't seen my last video, this is my mom's 1994 Mustang GT with a 5.0 HO. It has a blown head gasket, causing it to overheat and ping, so it's been sitting for about 6 months. This caused the fuel lines to crack and the tires to go flat, so my dad and I rigged it in order to drive it to our house 10 miles up the road. And it actually worked. Today we're going to take the heads off to take a look, and we have a surprise visit from a friend. Have the prime real estate right here.
Look up her skirt.
Just a little bit.
Look at all the gold sparklies from the sealer. I think that's the little blue. It's like year-old gaskets. Wait a minute. Did we do this a year ago?
Yeah, a year ago, like a couple weeks ago.
Oh, finger. Okay.
If you wanna know,
I think I'll drop those. I got it. Did you see it pop?
I did, yeah. I heard
Did
something.
you?
I heard something. Compression.
Big W.
Hey, this side's popped up. That side's not. Go ahead. I mean, that's what I was worried about.
I'm not able to quit now.
Well, the driver's side driver's side is the side that has a blown head gasket. When that one was still hard to
some music
spin.
going.
No, because then I can't hear you talking.
You don't want to hear her talking.
Something's warped, he said.
Sense of humor.
Warp speed. Straight ahead.
Warp speed. Are you gonna be able to put your hands and fingers all over it?
My fingers are in the holes, ready to go.
All right. Get yours out first. All right.
Hold on. Okay. Well,
Told you it was just a head gasket failure.
but where?
Good, they're burning. Go all the way up with it. See, this is where our trouble was right here. This is our head gasket failure to the outside right here. It's all even. It's all. I expected to see the two white ones or one white one.
Yeah.
Clean, like pressure washed. And it's not so bad.
Okay, the engine's all taken apart, as you can see. Damage doesn't look too major, so tomorrow's Monday. We're gonna go ahead and send those heads off to the machine shop, and we got a parts list we can go ahead and order. So it'll probably be sitting for a little bit as we, clean it, make sure it's ready for when the heads come back. If you like this video, let me know by leaving a like and a comment down below. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. And don't forget to check out my Instagram and Facebook page. Links will be down in the description below. And I'm cold, I'm shivering, so I'm going inside, and I'll see you guys in the next video.